Meaning of demolition derby.
Demolition derby.
Demolition derby.
Demolition derby.
Demolition derby. Demolition derby is a type of motorsport event where drivers intentionally crash into each other until only one car remains operational. The goal is to disable the other cars by smashing into them, causing serious damage and rendering them unable to continue. The last car running is declared the winner. The spectacle is often enjoyed for its excitement and adrenaline rush, but it can also be dangerous and destructive. Participants risk injury, and the event leaves behind a trail of damaged cars and debris.